Can drinking moringa before bed help you lose weight while you sleep? In today's video, we're uncovering the truth about using moringa as a nighttime fat-burning ritual. If you're serious about your weight loss journey, stay tuned till the end. And don't forget, the link to the Moringa Magic Supplement is in the description below. Moringa oleifera, also known as the miracle tree, has been used for centuries for its powerful health benefits. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential amino acids, it's no wonder why people call it nature's superfood. But can this green powerhouse actually help you shed pounds while you sleep? Let's talk facts. Moringa supports weight loss in multiple ways. It boosts metabolism naturally, which helps your body burn calories more efficiently. It helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those late-night cravings that sabotage your progress. It improves digestion, which plays a critical role in maintaining a healthy weight. And it acts as a natural detoxifier, flushing out toxins that may be slowing down your fat-burning potential. Now here's the real question. Why take it before bed? Nighttime is when your body goes into repair mode. This is the perfect opportunity to support fat burn and healing. Moringa's anti-inflammatory and metabolic properties help your body stay in a fat-burning state even while you sleep. Plus, the magnesium and amino acids in moringa promote deeper, more restful sleep, and studies show that better sleep is directly linked to reduced belly fat and a more balanced appetite. Wondering how to take moringa at night? The best way is to take Moringa Magic Supplement, a high-quality, all-natural formula that ensures you get the right dose without the bitter taste of raw powder or tea. Just take it 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime with a glass of water and let it work its magic as you rest. Many users have reported noticeable fat loss, improved digestion, and deeper sleep within weeks of using Moringa Magic. It's a simple, affordable addition to your bedtime routine. No extreme workouts, no restrictive diets, just natural support for your body's fat-burning process. So, is moringa before bed good for weight loss? Absolutely, especially when you're using the right supplement. Want to try it yourself? Grab the Moringa Magic Supplement from the link in the description below and start your nighttime fat-burning journey today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more natural health tips, and let us know in the comments if you've tried moringa before bedtime. Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams of a slimmer, healthier you.